Hey, Wales, good morning. Happy March 13th. It's Thursday, pre-market. Let's dive deep and break down Nvidia in terms of what I expect. I always tell new traders and new investors to make sure you have a pulse check on what the most important stock is doing. And in current environments, Nvidia is probably the most influential stock and most important stock across the S&P 500. And this is what I use to base my trades on. This is the stock that I use to understand my trade plan moving forward, right? So it's very important to have these updates so you know exactly what's going to happen, right? So let's dive in. Let's break the video. So as you know from my last video, we did top here for wave one, guys, and now we're working on a potential triple correction, double correction, a WX signifying a failed impulsive wave coming down for a Y wave here. Now, there is a chance, guys, where we do have a potential relief rally in play, not only across Nvidia, but across all the other Max 7s, Amazon, Google, Meta, right? We might have found a temporary bottom already. And if that's the case, you can see Nvidia front ran the $103 algo target, right? This was the algo target between 103 down to 78. So this could technically be a potential bottom, guys, for at least a relief rally, at least. So what does this mean? This means that if I take a look on a 15-minute time frame, if these are the absolute lows here at 104, what I'm looking for Nvidia to do is actually put in 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need Nvidia to go one more higher, guys, right? This would make it a lot more bullish if I see 5 waves, because now we come down for an ABC correction like this, and then now we can go up, guys, for a full on a new uptrend here. Right, and all of this now, after 5 waves, is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, and we can start a new uptrend. And if you're going to take a look, right, you'd take a long shot at 110 down to 107, maybe around these levels as well, right, for this wave 2 to come down. So this is what I'm looking at for Nvidia if it's bottomed, right? Same thing as I did in my last video for Tesla. I want to see 5 clear waves in. I want to see an ABC structure coming down, holding the 618 level, the 110 down to 107 level. And if this couldn't hold, if this doesn't go lower than this last low, we officially put in a higher low, guys. We officially put in a higher low. That's the first step towards an uptrend. Once we get this, we long this, and now we have a chance for a higher high. This is the start of a potential new uptrend, right? That's exactly what we want to see. Now, the only issue is right now, I don't see a clear 5-wave structure. All I see Nvidia doing right now is 3 waves here. Okay, we possibly have a wave 1, 2, and then the 3 coming up. And if you take some fib extensions here, you can take a look. We're at the 1-to-1 level. Okay, this is a bearish structure, an ABC. So what does this mean? If Nvidia is only going to put in 3 waves, we have another 5-wave sequence towards the downside. Right, so if you take a look, instead of this being all of a end of correction, we could have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming down before another chance at a relief rally, right? So these are the areas, if you take a look on the left side, between 91 down to 76 would be where that correction would end. And that's a beautiful buy zone here, right? So we're waiting to see whether or not Nvidia can actually put in 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an A, B, C coming down along this C, and then go up. Or if this is just a 3-wave sequence, A, B, C, and then now we're coming down for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to the lows. All right. So very interesting levels here. Now, if you're a long-term investor, in my opinion, again, like I'd mentioned in my past videos, anything under $100, in my opinion, is a beautiful buy, because I do have Nvidia going up to $200 in the near future, right? Amazing company, great cash flow, and see what we can do, right? Until then, I'll talk to you guys soon. I give you updates every single day.